Hello, today I will show you how to delete a read-only contact from an Android device. So follow these simple steps. So let's start from the home screen. Just go into the settings and then scroll down until you see Apps tab. And here in the search tab, enter contacts. Then scroll down to the storage and clear cache and clear data. Then come back to the home screen and go into the Contacts tab and try to delete the contact. And here is the second method. So yeah, if the contact cannot be deleted, here is the alternative method. Open Play Store and then go into the search and then go into the search bar and enter delete contact. Install any app. I prefer, for example, this one, and then open it. Also, make sure that this app has permission in your settings. So as you can see, you can find and tap on the contact you want to delete and make sure that it's the correct contact, and then tap on delete button. So if this video was helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.